You heard, but today is the release of my latest book. You can have it for American Diabetes Association. Yep, it's all about the foods that you can have. Whether you just want to be fit or you're living with diabetes, it is that clean, but delicious. Check this out, banh mi burger, a berry crumble, there's lasagna roll-ups, gingerbread overnight oats, and even a Japanese London broil. You'll notice in the book there's a lot of cool stuff. I'm super excited about this one. I even have cocktails, much to people's surprise. Let's see if I can do this two-handed. Get to the pictures. There, that is a passionilla cocktail, having some Patron in there. We have pumpkin pie pilots, or pumpkin pilots. Yum. And then these watermelon cupcakes, which kids are going to flip over. They're seriously 10 calories more, believe it or not. Only 10 calories more than a big piece of watermelon. But the kids are going to be fighting for them. Those are the crumbles that were on the cover. Let's see what else. Sauteed shrimp. We have these roasted carrots with a carrot top pesto, inspired by a restaurant recipe. These are garlic Parmesan squash fries. They're actually made with squash, but they taste so Parmesan-y and yummy. We have curly fries, not things that you would think would be in a cookbook for diabetes. And there's me eating French fries. Can you see that? Oh, there we go, French fries. Crinkle cuts. I did a lot of lifestyle photos in this book. There's a pork tenderloin with pomegranate, sweet and spicy. I did a lot of photos so that people would see that this is a lifestyle, or I should say photos of me. This is a ranch slathered chicken and broccoli stuffed potato. Yum. What else do we have here? Oh, a margarita chicken, another ode to Patron. Of course, you can use any brand you want, but one of my friends happens to be the vice president of marketing for Patron, so she keeps me well stocked. Gift wrapped mandarin chicken, very good for that night that you're craving Chinese takeout. And then I have updated potato chip crusted chicken, some sriracha mayo roasted turkey breast. Yes, sriracha, you know, it's all the buzz right now. So I figured out how to make like the best turkey dinner and then, you know, turn that into deli meat, of course, to stay lean. There's a chipotle steak simmer. What else? Oh, here's a picture of me making goat cheese and sun-dried tomato stuffed chicken breasts. That's a mafia couscous. We also have this Thai quinoa salad that's delicious. A spinach bacon salad, warm spinach or warm bacon dressing. There, we all know I play beach tennis, so that's my friend and I. I wanted to prove that this really is a lifestyle book, so I put the dishes you know, in focus with me in the background with friends doing what I do in life. So yes, that is me, if anybody's wondering. This is one of my favorites, a shrimp guac app. How good does that look? And how easy is that for your next dinner party? Whoa, easy. And then these are Brussels salmon sliders. Yum. So delicious. We had those at the lunch party the other night. Actually, we had the salmon or the shrimp guac apps too. And then we have some nachos. That does not look diabetes friendly, but it is. ADA approved. And actually, oh, and so this one, oh, yum. This is one of my favorites. Well, there's so many favorites. But here are waffle fry barbecue bites. They literally have beef barbecue on top of sweet potato waffle fries. Yum. Here's a crab stuffed shrimp like you've not had before. So yummy. And here is me and my girlfriend Maria enjoying some salmon cucumber bites. There's so many dishes in here. It's a Thai shrimp flatbread pizza, a barbecue bacon ranch pizza. Can't leave out the bacon. This is the banh mi burger that we saw on the cover. There's these Greek gyro sandwiches with meatballs that you make yourself that are so delish. A grilled chicken sandwich with pesto and roasted red pepper. Yum. Oh my God, are you getting hungry yet? Is your mouth watering? Barbecue beef sandwich. Me again with a burger. Let's see what else. Yeah, I think that covers it. Some more overnight oats. it was so funny. I had someone here. This is a shrimp scramble for breakfast. Egg whites, shrimp, pico de gallo, yum. Someone literally was adding up the numbers thinking that the nutritionals couldn't be right, but it's right, it's right. ADA checked all the nutritional numbers. A Cali Cobb breakfast sandwich. You know, there's some good recipes in here, I promise. There's me eating a really lean breakfast. And you'll notice on the back cover, here's my before and after picture. Whoa! And then we also have quotes from Dr. Michael Stenzinger, who's the medical director of diabetes reversal at Tufts Medical, and Dr. Nandi, who we all know. He's a best-selling author. He's the host of the Dr. Nandi Show, and he rocks. And then Dr. Melina Jampoulis, who many of us know too. She's the immediate past president of the National Board of Physician Nutrition Specialists, and she's on TV all the time. So as you can see, it's doctor approved, and ADA approved. I hope if you have any friends living with diabetes who want to eat indulgent food and are so tired of being told what they can't have, that you'll spread the word. Have a great one, everyone. Oh, and by the way, there's tons of TV appearances coming up and tons of speeches, and I'm so excited you'll be seeing more of me again. Woohoo!